Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about Filecoin price prediction and Filecoin news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Filecoin in 2022. Filecoin is a decentralized storage system that aims to store humanity's most important information. As part of the initial offering, ICO, in 2017, the project raised $205 million. The launch was originally scheduled for mid-2019. However, the Filecoin mainnet launch date has been pushed back until block 148,888 is reached on October 15, 2020. The project was first described back in 2014 as an incentive layer for the Interplanetary File System, IPFS, a peer-to-peer storage network. Filecoin is an open protocol. It is backed by a blockchain that records the commitments made by network participants through transactions made using Fil. Fil is the native currency of the blockchain. Blockchain is based on both proof of repetition and proof of space-time. Filecoin was founded by Juan Bennett, who also created the Interplanetary File System. Bennett is an American computer scientist who studied at Stanford University. After founding Protocol Labs in May 2014, he visited Y Combinator in the summer of 2014, with the intention of finding support for IPFS and Filecoin, among other projects. The cryptos, while also providing significant value to its holders. Filecoin, Fil, and Tezos, Tez, are two such currencies that fared very well during their pre-sale, XTZ. With the Filecoin, Fil, pre-sales started in 2017, it had already generated more than $250 million United States dollars. The debut of Filecoin, Fil, was well worth it for investors. It jumped from $11.02 to $28.39 in its first week on CoinMarketCap, an increase of more than 150%. Filecoin hit a record high of $237.24 in April of 2021. The top price of the cryptocurrency marks a 4,600% gain from its ICO price of $5. As of its height, a $1,000 investment in Fil would have been valued at about $50,000. Tezos, XTZ, is another coin that started its pre-sale in 2017 and is one of the largest in cryptocurrency history. Tezos XTZ raised almost $232 million in less than 2 weeks. In the words of its creators, it's the last cryptocurrency, and it's meant to last. XTZ holders have the option of voting on proposed protocol changes. Tezos, XTZ coin holders achieved an all-time high in October 2021, notwithstanding this fact. This raises the issue of whether FRPN can replicate its rival's prior success. Early investors have seen the value of their investments in FRPN more than double in a matter of hours, and this is just the first round of the token pre-sale. There is still plenty of time to invest in the whole pre-sale, which is predicted to grow by more than 1,000% in the next stages. With little over 40 days remaining in the FRPN pre-sale, there is still time for prospective buyers to take advantage of this fantastic deal. Since the Ukraine invasion began, people in Russia have found themselves increasingly deprived of online services such as Facebook, Twitter and even Netflix, with Russia either limiting access to sites or providers withdrawing services. There's no Facebook in Russia right now. Pixpay major financial players have pulled out too, including Apple Pay, Google Pay and most major credit card providers, significantly impacting e-commerce. Russia itself has also introduced a digital divide with the rest of the world, despite the fact this may further cripple its economy. It is expected to start withdrawing from the global internet by March 11, according to Kremlin documents. Russia has long imposed control over state-run media, but tolerated a level of free access to content and services through the internet. While such freedoms have been progressively diminished, citizens have still been able to stay connected to the wider web. This open access is now being revoked. Russia will assert dominance over internet services and impose strict censorship on local media organizations in an attempt to control information and reinforce Kremlin propaganda. Has triggered a significant digital shift for Russia. Sanctions imposed by governments around the world together with company closures or mothballing have significantly impacted the country. A plethora of events have escalated the invasion into the digital world, with cyber attacks, cybercriminals taking sides, and even an army of civilians being mobilized by Ukraine. The sanctions imposed on Russia have not only directly hit its economy, and by extension the global economy, but are now also threatening Russian citizens' access to the internet. It's expected the nation will limit its reliance on the global internet very soon. Although a complete disconnection isn't yet confirmed, even a partial disconnection would be a difficult task. And the repercussions of Russia's growing digital isolation for its citizens will be immense. Russia's increasing digital isolation. More than 85% of Russians use the internet. Filecoin allows customers to store their files at ultra-low fees and double-check that they are being stored appropriately. By picking the miner with the best storage offer for their needs, users can choose their chosen trade-off between cost, redundancy, and performance. Filecoin-enabled applications can negotiate storage with any miner on the network. There is no need to build a new API fork of mentors and investors to build blockchain projects using Filecoin. Likewise, Internet Computer has also jumped more than 15%. Its native token ICP is currently trading at $22.38, still a whopping 96% down from its all-time high of $750.73. The Internet Computer is a proof-of-stake (POS) blockchain that seeks to decentralize the cloud computing space currently in place. The token's recent rise could be related to its founder Dominic Williams' ambitious plan to inform the Russian population of the real goings-on in Ukraine. In a Medium post, he outlined a scheme that would incentivize users to watch content about the Russian invasion. For their attention, they would be rewarded in either Bitcoin or Ethereum. Naturally, the Internet Computer would be the primary vehicle. Firepin token, FRPN, has a lot of potential for development in 2022. Firepin will provide access to a variety of cryptocurrencies, including Polygon, Matic, Ethereum, ETH, Binance Smart Chain, BSC, Solana, Sol, and Avalanche, AVAX, FRPN. Several solutions will be combined, so that holders may do multi-chain swaps at the least price and timely rates feasible. A 15% presale allocation of Firepin, FRPN, will be available on PancakeSwap, PS, and Uniswap, US. As the demand for cross-chain transactions rises, Firepin, FRPN, looks to be in a great position to gain on others. The value of Filecoin will rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2026 is bullish. Phil is expected to top out at $159.12 by the end of 2026, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Filecoin will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average Phil price will be between $128.11 and $132.77 expected in 2026 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, Phil's maximum price ranges from $128.11 to $159.12 for 2026. Phil price prediction 2027. Phil will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Filecoin price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2027, the Filecoin rate will be almost $180.24. The maximum bet we can get is $216.72. Filecoin average price prediction for the end of 2027 could be around $185.55. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Filecoin price prediction 2028. It looks like by 2028, Filecoin, Phil, prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2028, we can expect the average rate to be $277.57. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Filecoin's maximum price could be up to $312.37 in 2028. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Filecoin price prediction 2029. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers